We're gonna go on an adventure today. You're cooking?
We're going on an adventure today, but we got this new portable blender.
Oh.
So I thought we would make us a smoothie for the ride.
Oh, cool.
So this is pretty cool. We did already charge it because you can't use it until you charge it, but you can make 20 blender drink smoothies on one charge.
Wow.
So it has a big capacity. These are all the fun things that come in the box with it. Here's the 28 ounces of fluids. This would be your lid for drinking out of. Comes with a straw if you want to drink it from a straw. Cleaning utensils. And the charger. Nice small. And 50, count it, 50 recipes.
Wow.
So let's make one.
Yeah.
Moko sent this to us. So let's go ahead and make a smoothie and see how it goes.
As full-time travelers, we're always looking for things that are convenient and fast, and of course, since we're traveling in an RV, that are light. What we like about this is there's some simple recipes they supply, but you can make whatever protein shakes, whatever blend you like. We're making peanut butter banana with yogurt protein shake. For people on the go, this is fast and easy. And don't think we haven't thought about how it's going to make us some margaritas to enjoy around the pool.
A little cinnamon, a little salt.
Ready to test it?
With a simple press of the button, the 300-watt motor blends your smoothie to perfection.
Yeah, let's do it.
Take the blender off. Put on the lid. Flip it. Straw. That's good.
The Moko Portable Blender can be found on Amazon. Check the description of the video to see the link.